Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories. We are so happy you are here today. My name is Leo.
My name is Anna. On this channel, we help you practice real English.
Anna, quick question to start. What is the outfit you wear again and again?
Good question. My go-to outfit is a blue dress and white sneakers. It is simple, it is comfortable.
Nice. Today, we talk about clothes, how to name them, how to describe them, how to shop for them. Let's keep it easy and fun.
An outfit means all the clothes you wear together. Shirt, pants, shoes, everything.
Great! My outfit today is a green t-shirt, blue jeans, and black sneakers. Very simple, very me. Anna, what is your favorite piece of clothing?
My old sweater. It is soft and warm. It feels like a hug.
I love that. My favorite is my blue jacket. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect for spring.
Do you like casual or formal clothes?
Casual, for sure. T-shirts, jeans, shorts, sneakers. I like to feel comfortable.
Same. But for a wedding or a job interview, I wear formal clothes. A nice dress, good shoes. You?
I wear a suit, a white shirt, and a tie. No sneakers that day.
What colors do you like?
I like blue and red. Sometimes I like patterns, stripes, checks, flowers.
Today, my t-shirt is plain green. Plain means no pattern, just one color.
In summer, I wear light clothes, a dress, sandals, a hat.
In winter, I wear heavy clothes, a warm coat, a scarf, gloves, boots. Warmth first.
Where do you buy clothes?
I like the mall. I can try on clothes. I can check the size in the mirror.
I often buy online. It is easy and fast. But sometimes the shirt is too big or the pants are too long. Then I return them. It takes time.
Come to the mall with me next time. I will help you choose.
Deal.
How do you get dressed in the morning?
I put on socks, then pants, then a top. Sometimes I plan my outfit the night before. It saves time.
Smart. I choose in the morning. Sometimes I change my shirt 2 times. I am not sure about the color.
That happens to me too.
How many pairs of shoes do you have?
Maybe 10. I like shoes. Shoes are my weakness. I have 4. White sneakers, black formal shoes, brown shoes, and running shoes. Simple and easy.
Do you like laundry?
No, but it's a chore we all do. First, separate white and colored clothes. Then, use the washing machine. Then, dry and fold.
I sometimes dry my clothes outside. They smell fresh. but it takes longer.
Do you buy expensive clothes?
Sometimes for a good coat or good shoes. They last longer. For t-shirts, I buy cheap ones.
Good idea. I will buy better sneakers next time. Quality matters. Repeat after us. Outfit, all your clothes together. Try on, put on in a shop to test. Plain, one color, no pattern. Comfortable, feels good on your body. Weakness, something hard to resist.
Great job! Use these words this week.
Let's model 2 short chats.
I like your outfit.
Thanks. It's comfortable and simple.
Can I try on this jacket?
Sure. The dressing room is there.
Your turn. What is your favorite outfit? Describe the colors and the items.
And what is one piece you want to buy now? A jacket? Shoes? A hat?
Write your answer in the comments. Use our words outfit, try on, plain, comfortable, weakness.
Great practice for real-life English. Thank you for learning with us.
Keep it simple. Keep it fun. Wear what makes you feel good.
See you next time on Daily English Listening Stories. Goodbye, everyone.